What's going on, y'all? I know y'all remember them boiled burgers that we checked out a couple of weeks ago. Well, it's that time, y'all. We finna make 'em. We finna make 'em. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So of course, first thing we need to do is go ahead and get us some onions chopped up. Once we get our onions chopped, we gonna add 4 cups of water into our pan. Then we gonna add our onions. Now once we get our onions in, we're gonna go ahead and use our heavy spatula and kind of break them up just to store that onion broth. Get that going real quick, y'all. Get it going. Then we're gonna let those onions simmer until our water has reduced by half, and then we're getting our burgers in. Once we get them burgers in, we're gonna smash them down, but we're not gonna smash them like smash burgers, y'all. These are thick burgers, y'all. These are thick. Once we get them smashed down, we're gonna go ahead and rain on them with a little salt and pepper. Then after about 5 minutes, we're gonna give them a flip. Go ahead and hit it with a little bit more salt and pepper. Hitting our onions as well. And after cooking on that side for another 5 minutes, we're getting them burgers off. And of course, I had to have mine with onions. Y'all know how I love my onions. Gotta have 'em. Now the only other thing that I added to my burger was a little bit of mayo right on one of those buns. And this was so good, y'all. It was most definitely a great burger. A little different than your normal burger, but so tasty. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.